are something that are commonly available everywhere, and today I'm going to show you guys a very simple potato curry that can be enjoyed either with chapati, roti or with some rice. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I've taken about half kg of baby potatoes. Now for this recipe you can also use large potatoes. First pressure cook the potatoes, add a little water, next add a little salt. Pressure cook on medium flame for about 4 to 5 whistles. The potatoes are cooked. Cool the potatoes and peel the skin. Take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add a few whole spices, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds and a few peppercorns. Next, add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Add 2 large green chilli slit. I have pounded 2 large cloves of garlic and 2 pieces of ginger. Now if you don't have whole cloves of ginger or garlic, you can use ginger garlic paste. So this is roughly about 1.5 teaspoons. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. You can see the onions are a nice golden brown color. To this I'm going to add 4 large tomatoes that have been finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes till they are nice and mushy. Next I'm going to add all the spice powders. First I'm going to season it with 1 teaspoon of salt. Next add 1.5 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Now I'm going to add the boiled baby potatoes. Mix everything nicely. So you can see the potatoes are coated in the masala beautifully. Let it cook in the masala for about 2 minutes. Add 1.5 cups of water. Once the gravy comes to a boil, close and cook on medium flame for about 15 minutes. The potato curry is done. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Finally, finish off with some chopped coriander leaves. So there you go. Here is this absolutely delicious potato curry, which is very quick and easy to make. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Queen.